Welcome to Idris's Kitchen 69. Who had a taste for some greens? Look at that big old pot of greens, y'all. Pot of gold, right? I had collards, mustard, turnips, and 20 minutes before it was done, I threw in half a cabbage. I cooked mine in some smoked turkey butts, chicken broth, chicken stock, and water. But it's about this Lawry seasoning. The old school way we grew up. Ooh, to me, you ain't got no greens if you ain't got no Lawry's in it. Now, I ain't trying to promote Sneevy's. Love that barbecue spice tonight. I didn't use it in the greens. But if you would like some, go to sunmoonproducts.com. I'm having mine with some quinola. It's a grain mixed with a brown rice. Just follow instructions. And some pepper juice and some pickles from our Sneevy's spicy hot honey dill pickles. You know you need some pickle juice on them greens. And a little salmon. Yeah. And of course, why not have you a glass of Riesling? Yep, goes deliciously with this meal tonight. No little 6-9 wine tomorrow night. But look, that's my recipe on greens. And play with your recipes and enjoy